dayuurad kaliya soo ridnay halkay tani ka timid boqolaal kale baa jira.
Too few planes were shot down to interrupt the bombing raids. The terror in the air continued. Civilians moved out of their villages into the hills. They dug caves in the hillside where the bombs would not find them. When marching columns were caught by aircraft in the mountain passes, they were easy targets for the Reggia's bombs, guns, and gas. Squadron's number 1 returns to base, piloted by Mussolini's son-in-law, the Minister of Propaganda, Count Galeazzo Ciano.
Buongiorno eccellenza, spero che abbia fatto un buon volo. Questa volta non vedevo di farlo. Purtroppo tutto in fretta perché devo chiesa. Ti hanno sparato poco questa volta, eh? Vedi cucina.
The tide of war had turned against Haile Selassie. He drove north to the front to consult his commanders and rally the dejected troops. Some warriors responded to their emperor's call and went back to battle, but it was too late. Badoglio had banned the foreign press from the front line. Now he invites them to witness the war's decisive battle, the attack on Amba Aladam, mountain fortress of Ras Mulugeta. If Ras Mulugeta's army of 80,000 could be crushed, only the emperor would stand between the Italians and Addis Ababa. Aerial surveys revealed Ras Mulugeta's weak point. The Italian attack would come from the south. A 9-day siege began. The Italians closed in under a cover of night and cloud. When the morning wind blew the cloud away around Amba Aladam, the Ethiopians saw the Italian army marching up the slopes towards them. Ras Mulugeta's drums beat the alarm. For days, the mountain fortress had been bombarded by aircraft and artillery. Ras Mulugeta just sat, bewildered and shell-shocked in his cave, incapable of action. Ethiopians had died on Abyssiniya. 15,000 were killed in the next 3 days, cut down by the Regia Aeronauticas machine guns or burned alive by mustard gas. One of the dead was Ras Mulugeta's own son, killed in command of the rear guard. When Ras Mulugeta turned back to mourn over the body, he too was killed by a bullet from the sky. Ethiopian resistance was falling apart. The surviving armies retreated south, demoralized and sick, carrying their wounded and mourning their dead. Ras Imru's army was destroyed in the Battle of Shireh. Ras Kassa and Ras Seyum were now utterly defeated in Tembien. When they reached their emperor, they had no troops left. Finally, in the last desperate battle, the emperor's own forces were massacred at Lake Ashangi. The war was lost.
Werarki tananayo Jabkii ogala Baiso hauda Tasaban kelena Werarki tananayo Jabkii ogala Baiso hauda Tasaban kelena Jabkii لاحظ هواسيو بالك على ذريو وكتاينا سيدامو Jabkii لاحظ هواسيو بالك على ذريو وكتاينا سيدامو البابان ما يوسعوني انت الحرق وزيركان بيتنان كتاودا انترتولا يوكيغيني البابان ما يوسعوني انت الحرق وزيركان بيتنان كتاودا Dintinwe tagani kisyada dalkaigo Tafriwe hebwe badaya latuwe Dintinwe tagani kisyada dalkaigo Tafriwe hebwe badaya latuwe مركب يتصورني عدوك نصدري وقل بينا ويرني مركب يتصورني عدوك نصدري وقل بينا ويرني يا نبي حوّد يدك يكوي من الزلان بسماح كننا برندوني غفرا يا نبي حوّد يدك يكوي من الزلان بسماح كننا برندوني غفرا يان بريغا لدايرين لولغان تطلقدا دور كمينا وبشدا طريقيا دلتهم مرو يان بريغا قطايعين دول بلاند طلبتها دور كمين أو بفدا طريق يا غلط مرو